Hello, Science Nines. This is Miss Moore, and today we're going to be learning about cells and batteries. For this mini research project, you are going to choose one, I repeat, one partner to work with. You can also work by yourself, that's always an option. And you're going to be investigating cells and batteries to learn more about them and decide how they can be used for specific applications. In section 1, you're going to be researching the meanings of these terms with respect to cells and batteries. So you're looking up the word storage and you're looking up the word capacity and so on in terms of cells and batteries. And it says that here in case you forget. If you're finding a definition in your searches that does not have to do with cells and batteries, then you are not in the right place. So please ask the teacher or our librarian for some help in figuring out what these words mean in the world of cells and batteries. Once you're finished section 1, you can move on to section 2, where you and your partner are going to be using text page 229, where there is a table of cells and batteries in common use to help you figure out what cell you would recommend for each of these applications. Included for you here is a list of desired properties of each cell to help you make your decision. Once you've got your textbook open to page 229, you'll see that there's a lot of information to consider when it comes to selecting the appropriate cell or battery for each application. So Ms. Moore has summarized for you here the most important information for each cell to help you narrow it down. Once you've chosen your cell, you can write it here, and then you can write your 2 or 3 main reasons for selecting that particular cell. So example 1, travel alarm clock, has already been done for you. So you and your partner will continue with pacemaker, scientific calculator, cell phone, camera, and wheelchair. Once section 2 is complete, sections 3, 4, 5, and 6 are basically just analysis questions asking you to reflect on important considerations that we need to be aware of when it comes to the manufacture and use of different batteries, such as how do they impact the environment, as well as how can we recycle them and what might that process involve. We're also thinking about risks that might be associated with this type of cell depending on the application, and also looking at the patterns of your recommendations. What cells are more widely used in our everyday lives for these different things? Are we relying on primary or secondary cells more often? As usual, if you have any questions, please ask the teacher or please ask our librarian for help in finding resources to help you be successful with your mini research project. Ms. Moore is always one email away if you have any questions for her, and I look forward to seeing you next class. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.